Hey everyone, I'm Silwolf and this is a blind box and blind bag unbagging video. This Sanrio themed, I bought this literally weeks ago, absolutely weeks ago, as something interesting to do a little sort of like reveal thing of. And I got it randomly from a local toy shop that they had a few of these, and that's the best thing that they had at the time. So this one I got like probably months ago, in all honesty, from the Entertainer. This one here I got from the recent convention I went to, Hyper Japan. It's a cinema roll sort of blind box thing. My friend Ziggy actually did one of these. Hi Ziggy, if you're watching. And again, I like all the things inside it. I don't see much point in doing one of these. I mean, this was £10. It was quite expensive. I don't see much point in doing one of these unless you like all the things that are inside, because it's a lot of money to spend. And if you get something that you don't particularly like, because I saw a load of blind boxes at Hyper Japan, yeah, there's no point really in doing it, because I'll probably end up with one I don't want. So this is a collectible figure. It's a 3D eraser. Now when I was a kid I used to collect erasers. You can get a variety of different Hello Kitties in different outfits, 2 Kuromis, 2 Kuropis, and a couple of My Melodies. So we shall open this and see who we get. And we have, I think it's probably a Hello Kitty. It's a Hello Kitty. Oh, she's wearing the little purple outfit. That's cute. It's that one there. I like that. Purple's my favourite colour. I will not be using this as an eraser because I like these too much to use them as actual erasers. I remember at school everyone had like different coloured and shaped erasers. And this one here. So I did actually split this for ease because I couldn't be bothered to get scissors. So let's have a look at which one we've got. We could have Cafe Rainbow, Dappled Sunlight, Rain, Hot Spring or Night Sky. I suppose mostly I'm hoping for probably like Rain, one of the cloud shaped ones maybe, but I like all of them. I don't think there's anyone there that I wouldn't want to get. So let's have a look. We have, it looks very much like Dappled Sunlight actually. Okay, that's another bit of it there. I like these because they're kind of like little dioramas. So it comes with all these little bits and pieces that you can put together. This is nicely wrapped in some bubble wrap as well. So let's get this out. The one that they had on display at the actual convention, and this was, so one of the convention stalls was selling this for like £17. The other one was selling it for £10 something, so obviously I got the £10 something. And the one they had an example of was Hot Spring, I think. They're quite hefty, they're quite well made, these little bits and pieces. Just a little tree. It's got some fruit there. And, oh goodness, it's got no way to sort of like get it open. And I don't want to lose the tiny bits of it. I should have really bought some scissors. I'm going to just use my teeth. And just split the top. There we go. And now that'll all just come out from the top. So we've got a teeny tiny little, I don't know what that is. It's the little red thing. So not only do you get an unboxing, you also get a putting it together thing. So cinema roll, that goes at the front. Let's move this back a bit so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So you've got the cinema roll thing here. So what have we got here? Oh, this must be where the tree goes. Like that. Got to really sort of press it in. Okay. So I'm guessing that it goes in like that. And that, oh, it just sits in there. It doesn't clip in or anything. Just sits there. Tiny little thing, which I think is actually an apple. And he's got his little friend there. Like that. And his cinema roll, just relaxing. There we go. Okay. It's kind of wobbly. Is it supposed to be wobbly? And then this bit. Now it's got... Oh, no. No, I see what you do. I think. Yeah, this is what you do. This is going to be really difficult, actually. So, put this in here. Like that. And then you put it in there. Make sure it's together properly at the bottom. Actually, that's probably wrong. We don't want it like that, do we? We don't want it with a seam in front of it. We want to put it around like that. There. Cinnamoroll and his little friend, and they're relaxing under a tree. I think that's really nice. So, yeah, worth the money, definitely. Okay, well, Hello Kitty just lurking behind the box. I never noticed that. Like some creepy stalker. How dare she put more effort into that other one than me. She just gets me out and puts me behind this box, and here I am just staring. Yeah. So that was my Sanrio blind bag and blind boxing reveal thing. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed. Oh dear. Right, yeah, so that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more unboxings of the blind bag bits and pieces, you can click on the box that comes up below, because I've got a whole playlist for them. If you enjoy what I do and want to send me a tip on Ko-fi, feel free, link is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.